Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, October 29th of 2019, with today's morning announcements. All of 2nd grade and one class of 4th grade will be going on field trips today, so make sure you show your Perry pride and make sure that you're on your best behavior. We always like to be recognized as being the best behaved school in the district, so make sure you continue that tradition. Our birthday list for today. Happy birthday to Michael Keene. So have a great day, Michael. Hopefully you have a great day along with it. Our lunch choices for today are French toast bites, cheese calzone, or Italian sandwich. And today we have our pause expectations brought to you by our 4th grade students.
Alright, boys and girls, today we have some 4th grade students from Mrs. Williams' class to talk about different things for pause.
When at Foursquare you hit the line, don't say somebody else did it. Don't interfere. Don't spike.
That's good advice. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much for that advice for Foursquare, because I know sometimes that can be a very rough competition happening out there, so let's make sure we're showing some good sportsmanship. Remember, boys and girls, it's a game to have fun, so it is not something that you have to be that competitive for. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Just to remember, boys and girls, we are doing Red Ribbon Week events this week, so for today, hopefully you wore your favorite sports jersey to team up against drugs. On Wednesday is Crazy About Being Drug-Free, which is wear crazy hair, or have clothes that are crazy, or crazy socks. I'm more partial to crazy socks myself than anything else, so I probably will do that for our Red Ribbon Week Wednesday. At this time, let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's have a wonderful day today. Let's have a great Tuesday. Let's make some great choices, too, and have a super day.